Matthew 27 verses 17. So when the crowd had gathered, Pilate asked them, "Which one do you want me to release to you, Barabbas or Jesus who is called the Messiah?" In the Bible, the release of Barabbas is a striking moment. Barabbas was a notorious criminal involved in insurrection and murder. During the Passover, Pontius Pilate offered to release one prisoner to the crowd, and they chose Barabbas over Jesus. Fast forward to modern times, and a similar narrative has surfaced with a prominent Jamaican figure convicted of murder. This case has captivated the public's attention, leading to passionate reactions. The public's response to this individual's release echoes the biblical crowd's choice. Just as the crowd chose Barabbas, many today celebrate this figure's release despite their controversial past. The more things change, the more they stay the same. Whether in biblical times or today, the choices we make and the figures we support reflect our values and beliefs.